Hello friends, I'm here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Here we solve questions from various MSc entrance examinations. So the question for today's video is from TIFRGS exam 2018. In the evolutionary history of life, identify the most likely order in which the following entities arose. The question is asking which organelle has arose first. So different combinations for plasma membrane, RNA, chloroplast and nucleus are given in the options. We'll find which is the correct answer. When we think about the life on the earth, we find that it has started 3.8 billion years ago. So at that time, the atmosphere on the earth was having a nitrogen, it was having a carbon dioxide and H2S was there. Also some of the hydrogen and water vapors were there. So when Miller and Urey performed this experiment in a lab condition, they found that there is a formation of macromolecule take place at this atmosphere. So this atmosphere is useful for the reducing condition. And also sunlight was also there. So in presence of sunlight, these molecules react with each other to form a polymers. So which polymers were formed? We consider that polypeptides and the nucleotides, using the nucleotides, nucleic acids are formed at that time. So these polymers further lead to the formation of life. Now, the candidates to work as a genetic material was, one is the protein and another was a nucleic acid. So again, among the nucleic acid, DNA and RNA were the candidates, and RNA was chosen as a nucleic acid initially, which is known as a RNA vault. Why RNA is chosen as a nucleic acid or as a genetic material? Because it was having its own catalytic activity. It can replicate itself by its own, and again it can act as an enzyme. So these two properties selected RNA as the first genetic material on the earth. Now period has moved further and it is the need of the organism to enclose this genetic material into some compartment. So for this, phospholipid bilayer was chosen, which is having a hydrophilic head group and hydrophobic tail. So when it is placed in a water, it forms this type of structure. So it can easily separate the water atmosphere outside the cell and water atmosphere inside the cell. So this phospholipid bilayer, what we call today as a plasma membrane. And we find this plasma membrane which is present outside the eukaryotic cell. Also it is present in a prokaryotic cell. After this, nucleus must have developed. In case of prokaryotic cell, nucleoid is present in a cell itself. There is no special compartment for the genetic material. Whereas when we say eukaryotic cell, the nucleus, separate nucleus organelle is present in which the genetic material is enclosed. Here, the nucleus, in the nucleus, the genetic material has now changed from RNA to DNA. What happened in case of RNA, at the second position of the sugar, there is a hydroxyl group which is very reactive, and due to which there is a lots of mutation rate. So if the mutation rate is high, then the organism survival chances of that organism becomes less. That's why the role of genetic material is shifted from DNA to from RNA to the DNA. And now DNA is used as a genetic material, which is not having oxygen at its second position. Okay. Now in the nucleus, we know that transcription and replication takes place inside the nucleus. and translation, what is the protein synthesis process which takes place in a cytoplasm when it is a eukaryotic cell. So during the initial steps of evolution, it is considered that chloroplast and mitochondria, these were a separate prokaryotic cells. It was reproduced by binary fission, as these two organelles are having their own genome, their own some of the proteins are also there in a chloroplast and mitochondria. One time the eukaryotic cell has engulfed this chloroplast and as well the mitochondria. So the theory is known as a endosymbiotic theory, through which these organelles got engulfed by the eukaryotic cell, and now we find these organelles in a eukaryotic cell. The chloroplast is present in a plant cell. It performs the photosynthesis through which the plant can prepare its own food material. So the correct answer for this question is option C, that is RNA has arose first, then plasma membrane, then nucleus and then chloroplast. Let's have a question for my next video. The question is from JNU Biotechnology Entrance Examination 2018. Substitution of thymine base by adenine in DNA is known as transposition, transition, transversion or frame shift. So these four are the types of mutation. We have to find out which type of mutation is given in a question. We'll solve this question in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.